So this is a quick demo of the OtterBox uniVERSE case in conjunction with the RUNNUR tablet belt clip and SlingMount. What you will do is take the uniVERSE case, you will insert the mounting plate into the center mount of the uniVERSE case. The arrow should always be pointing towards the camera hole. Once it's in there, you'll insert your device. Once the device is inserted, you will take the buckle plate and easily clip it into place. Then you take your hip pad, attach it to your belt, like so. You clip the tether cord to the buckle plate, and then you can attach the tablet to your belt. Your hands are now free to do about what you need to do, your task. Then you can access the device in less than 1 second from the secure position. And the tether cord will then eliminate dropped and broken devices in the field. When you no longer need it, you can simply clip it back to your case. Now, when you want to change the device or the mount, simply take the other sling mount, insert it like so, and you can wear it like this. Other modules can then be inserted. Thermal reader, battery charger. And that is the uniVERSE case system with the tablet, belt clip, and sling mount, along with other modules. Thank you.